Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps and confirming location access. This lets the app center your position automatically. Once done, tap directions and type a start point and destination so the route can calculate. Make sure you pick the correct travel mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, because each changes suggested roads and time estimates. You're already moving. Next, you'll review alternate routes and customize options like avoiding tolls or highways before starting navigation. Now you review the proposed routes. Glance at ETA, miles, and traffic colors so you can choose the fastest or shortest. Once chosen, tap options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries, and add waypoints if you need stops. That adjusts ETA and path. Make sure to enable live traffic and lane guidance for complex interchanges, and check transit departure times when using public transport. After customizing, press Start to begin turn-by-turn directions and watch for voice prompts. As you drive or walk, follow the voice prompts and glance at the upcoming turn cards so you're prepared in advance. If you miss a turn or traffic worsens, Google Maps will recalculate automatically. If it doesn't, tap Recalculate or choose an alternate route. Make sure GPS is active and the app has location permission. If signal is poor, download an offline map for the area so navigation continues. Finally, restart the app or phone if directions freeze, then resume navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.